Yo, Kogency Reacts channel. From you to the face, hear the voice. You know who I am and what we're here to do. But today, we have another Jamaican Pop the Balloon. This is a UWI edition. Now, I know a whole heap of UK and European viewers I have. So UWI is a university in Jamaica. It's literally around the road from my house. You understand? University of the West Indies. You understand? So, I want to see the girl that we're going to come out today and see if them there for play or if they're here to stay. I was going to find something else for rhyme, but don't worry about that. Before I jump into it, let's hit the like button. You don't know where I work through the shadow ban right now. You understand? We have to try thump out YouTube. YouTube I try fight with, but we are fighting back. No. Well, it. Because I don't know YouTube. Yeah, we are fight it. We are fight it. You understand? So please like the video. And then please comment as well. Anything that stand out to you in this video. Timestamp it, anything. Or comment for no reason. For no reason. You understand? Trigonometry gang as well. And subscribe. Subscribe to me. Subscribe. And let's jump into the video.
Means black.
You know
That's why my name is now.
Yo, she look cute. I usually don't like girls with this piercing, but like I don't even recognize it as her, man. She just look smooth, and she just get me in the mood, and I feel like a dude, and I don't want to be rude.
Means black.
You know
That's why my name is now. It's French. Yeah, you're
back in the days, some people used to live around at the train and but I'm used to live in
Yo, what are you to have fun him head?
French. Yeah, you're
back in the days, some people used to
Brother, what the hell is this? Is this a turban mix? Not a is this a t-shirt mixed with a turban?
live around at the train and
No, that's what the hell are these things? No. Alright, bro. I already see what type of video this is going to be. Let's get into it.
but I'm used to live in calling black and shy. You see me? Yeah. But that kind of vibe you get.
Alright, my father.
A regular day.
Okay, Mr. Dieupapi, excuse me.
Never take play date, mama.
What I want you to do now, you're
Say I
gonna...
never yet take a plane yet. But you say it like that's something to be proud of. And I don't like the comment where you make both times. Say something about blackish and like our skin color, and me not like them something then.
Okay, Mr. Dieupapi, excuse me.
Never take play date, mama.
What I want you to do now, you're gonna pop 2 balloons based on which 2 guys you feel that wouldn't give you head.
Yo, dog. I'll turn off the video, you know. I will not react to this video anymore. Alright?
I'm telling this here. No, pop on the balloon based on my question. So can I get 1, 2, 3 more balloons? Can I get back 3 balloons?
Well, I like to sing for fun, and I smoke a lot of weed.
Yeah.
So that is it.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Dieupapi Jr. and I'm back with a video. Mr. Midaya, you see me there now? People, there's no funny cats. You see me? Now I go tell you, so a man name so you know the judge of that. You see me? Today,
life is
man
hilarious.
get a chance to pop some balloon or
This video is
find
going
a
to be
match.
hilarious. This video is going to be hilarious.
What do you think?
But honestly, but I know I hear the man
them say no
and still, you know, so playback
why
still
wait?
up.
First female, make a step.
You see it? Up the play speed there. You know them you tell of the chat. Yeah, boy. You see me? You see me? You see when I see the leg? You see when I see the first leg there? I see the thigh to leg ratio. Alright, but one thing I don't like, I don't like girls who have hairstyles that don't move. So like your head move, like your ponytail just did the same way. Like one unicorn horn. Just you just all over the place. It just dead it. It just dead it so. It just there so. You move and your ear now move. Your vibe and your ear now vibe. Your ear stay in one position. That make me uncomfortable. Like why your ear now move?
Alright. What's your name?
Tavia.
Socials?
Cocotti on Instagram, Cocotti on TikTok.
Okay, and what do you do for work?
I'm a customer service agent for an overseas company. I work from home.
Okay, not bad. What do you do for fun?
Yo, that brother, yeah, him a idiot, you know. So don't watch nothing with him do the whole video.
I'm very adventurous. I like to go out to parks and video gaming, stuff like that.
Video gaming? That's not bad. All right. We had 2 pops, so we're going to find out why they popped.
Sure.
Let's go.
You know, FIFA just dropped today, no,
What's the
baby?
socials?
You know.
Sponsor Boss on IG, Sponsor Boss on TikTok, Facebook, same thing.
All right. Why did we have a pop right here?
I work for me.
The work.
No, I'm not gonna lie, she's nice. She's very nice. She's very nice.
And then again, she has show up my property too much. And that's got a print out.
Your property.
No printout, brother. She has on jeans and a crop top. Yeah, maybe I say okay. Bro, and there's not even that much belly skin. Like to where the shirt stop and the pants start. It's not. We can barely even see our belly button. Where you gonna say because our arms and shoulders and our top chest cleavage is out. And it's not even that him I talk about. The man I talk about down here, so. Tell us that you are idiot, you know.
It would be.
Would be.
Yeah, it would be.
What?
That I the only problem I have with that nice pretty girl.
What do you think about what he just said?
Okay, well, I can't beat you about the work point. But what if you can't hide? I mean, if you can't hide it, just...
Your skirt, mama, you're too fat, man. Yeah, show it too much.
And then what if I wear a skirt and breeze blow?
No, you have them nice little jacket skirt there.
Mm.
Sit up by you. Nah, pretty good. I don't want nobody see that.
So I don't wear for the rest of my life?
No, you have other things you can wear, man. You show it up too much, mama, man.
I get what
gosh,
you mean,
man.
though.
But they're nice and everything. You see like that little jacket, that little leather top, yeah?
Uh-huh.
That little leather skirt, they will nah blow up.
Okay,
But you're active and you're pretty and you look good.
thank you.
As in, no, but him have a little pencil. If she did have a red leather skirt to go with with a red alright. Bro, why am I getting invested in her outfit? You know, say I watch too much of them pop the balloon, ya dog. I have never ever been invested in a woman's outfit like this before. Oh my god. I need to stop.
But maybe.
After
How much
today,
you rate her
no
out
more.
of 10?
Yeah, man. Tell us that she active, man. She look good.
She active.
Yeah.
How much you rate him out of 10?
I give him a 7. He's not my type, but he's alright looking.
Alright, that's not bad. Alright. Why did we have a... What's your socials?
Oh,
I'm
him!
on TikTok and on Twitter, just Kremlin.
Okay, why did we have a pop right
Favor
here?
Kremlin.
She says she's adventurous. I'm not really an adventurous type of person.
Alright, I feel you. That's kind of me, so I understand that. What do you think about what he just said?
I understand. I don't think we'd be a match because of that. I like somebody who matches my vibe.
Okay, not
She's
bad.
so pretty.
How much did you give her out of 10?
Like, yeah, right, yeah.
8?
Mm-hmm. She can.
What about him?
I give him the same.
Same? Nice. Spouse. You can get one more than you.
Regular day, bro.
Alright, take a step because you have
It's just
some
another
unfinished
day.
business with some
Say that
balloons
with
to
a
take care
matic,
of.
with a
Take a
got and a
step.
Kia. And a big batty and a Kia.
So we have
what
2,
you
4,
mean
6
batty and a
balloons on
Kia?
pop. I want you to ask each a question and you're gonna pop 3 balloons. So
Okay.
just ask each person one question, you know.
You're the
what you
brother
just
you
want.
remind me of Krishna.
3 balloons. So
Okay.
just
I
ask.
see that Krishna just messaged me. Seal it. See that Krish? The youth remind me of you. And you just message me. See it there, bro.
Each person one question, you know,
You that Krish at
what
the
you
end.
just want to find out, and then decide the 3 least attractive answers based on what you're hearing.
Okay, can I ask the same question for everybody?
Sure, it's your time.
What do you guys do for work?
Oh,
All right, so right now,
I make
I
money.
have 2 businesses in Jamaica. I also work overseas, but it's more that I travel a lot.
Okay.
So basically, that's it.
YouTuber. Yeah.
I never know. Say the narrative part.
Jaja.
I work in finance.
I'm a young entrepreneur, aspiring YouTuber, and an aspiring videographer.
Okay.
I'm a master's student, and I'm also
Alright, this guy. Alright, man now trouble him, you know. Why for the trouble? No, there's nothing why not trouble. You see how white culture does mess up my speeches. Man now say nothing too crazy, you know, but he says young entrepreneur and Ray. He's 27 though. And I know 27 is still young in the world. But if I don't describe myself as a young anything or a young, I'm just this. You know, I am what I am. I'm not going to say, oh, I'm a young this or... Like, after a while, you have to let go the young title, bro. Like,
a business owner.
Okay.
what do?
Also a master's student, and I'm an auditor.
Yo, what the hell did he just say?
Business owner.
Okay.
Also a master's student, and I'm an
As a boss and a student?
student, and I'm also a business owner.
Okay.
Also a master's student, and I'm an auditor.
You're an auditor?
Yes.
Okay. And so you say 3?
He said
So you
his
need to
name.
pop Lend me this, my
Bro, you
friend.
said something at the
You need to
start,
pop
bro.
3 balloons based on the least 3 attractive answers that you heard. To you.
Okay.
All right, let's go. He said about 15 businesses. Why did we pop here?
Because he travels a lot. I don't know if I'm down to stick to that.
But you said you were adventurous.
I'm adventurous, but if I can't go where he goes most of the time, I might be like confused if, you know, he's doing things outside of it, you know?
Okay. What do you think?
Right. You see now them papa my woman me vex. Because really and truly, no found who should be really happy to even get a girl like this. Cause I mean that's why I don't like watching the male pop the balloons, you know, because I don't like talking about men. I don't like talking about men. But why for the but? Really and truly, bro, this girl is just she fit the caliber, bro. So I don't know what they're talking about.
About that?
Well, at the end of the day, I have your opinion, you know? I can take people with me. If you try to go do a business, if you have a next person, you move with her. So.
Just one thing. Socials?
All right, so Odani, so ODAN_IIE, Instagram.
Right. And how much you rate her out of 10?
8.
8? Not bad. What do you? Not good.
I give him a 9. I like his outfit.
Thanks.
Oh my God, it's just the too much. Boy, I'm going to tell you cut down on the work, but then you're not going to make as much money.
Nothing is wrong with his job.
I'm good. True. So I'm going to miss out on that one, my father. I understand. All right.
She block our own
Socials, bro?
Leon_GZ.
All right. Why did we pop right here?
I don't know.
Because if you pop female, pop mine.
I don't think it was his career. I think it's more of the attraction level between us.
Oh, not your type?
Yeah.
Okay, how much would you give him out of 10?
I give him an 8. I like his outfit and his shoes.
Nice. Okay. How much you do?
Probably likewise, but no, probably a 7.
7?
Yeah.
Why you said likewise, then I go up to 7?
Alright, she look alright. But looks can be deceiving, so can't be stable looks alone. Get me answers.
Oh, yeah, like I want like a personality in it.
Yeah,
Oh, you don't know that yet. Alright. Fine.
Okay.
Alright.
That don't make no sense.
No, she did pop.
That don't make
Turn
no
up a
sense.
phone. Why did we have a pop right here? No, you pop his. What's the socials, by the way?
Yeah, it's J Presidential on Instagram.
Why did we pop right here?
I think it's the same reason. Nothing's wrong with his career. I hope that you succeed. It's just that.
Why?
Why do I hope he succeeds?
Why?
God go with him, you know.
Oh, why? Yeah, why?
My bad.
Why?
You want him to be progressive in life.
I hope he's successful.
Yeah, why?
But I just think.
But it'll take me a while for wonder, yo, what
How much would you give him out of 10?
I give him an 8.
What do you think about it?
Well, to be honest, she's a good-looking girl. Don't have any problems so far. I was just hearing what she had to say. But overall, I'd give her a 7.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we had 2 pops.
Isn't it like, bro, listen to how mature the man all talk and he want to call himself young this and young that. Bro, young people not this mature, bro. Move from your man.
What's the socials?
That one underscore Dre.
Yeah. Why did we pop while she was talking?
We can answer your question?
Sure.
You smoke?
Socially, but not weed.
Socially? Let me by socially.
I socially vape and hookah, but no weed.
Oh. Just say adventurous. I never understand what I mean. What does that mean?
It means that I like to do new things, try new things
You
in
don't
terms
know
of like
about
food and
adventure?
restaurants. Not necessarily
Party?
clubbing. Not necessarily clubbing. But I like to go to new places, you know, rivers, beaches. I like hiking. So that kind of stuff.
Okay. So I'm Bob. She look alright. I don't know, she have too much makeup though.
Okay.
You don't
Little bit, just little bit too much makeup. If they want a little bit less, somebody can say look, then yeah, really that.
You go more for natural.
Right. She look alright.
Can't beat it for that. How much you rate her out of 10?
I don't believe
7.
that.
7.
I
How much
don't
you rate him
believe
out of
that.
10?
I'd give him an 8. I like how you look. I just think that you should have just look a better today. But, you know, nothing's wrong with the regular, everyday fit. It looks like a regular, everyday fit, like you're going to the gym or you're going to the supermarket or something. Nothing's wrong with it, though. I'm just saying.
Oh, so something more fancy.
Yeah, I'd like to see you, like,
Yeah,
what we
ask her another
would do.
question. Sure. So what is your type? Okay, you say never like the brown man, so.
My
Me
type?
brown, yeah. You say he wasn't your type, brown guy.
I popped his. And I said
No,
he
the
wasn't.
brown person with his type, so. Am I popping balloon?
No,
That full
he
white?
popped his.
No, you popping balloon.
No,
He popped his.
No, but he did say.
Oh, yeah, I said.
He wasn't your type. Anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why
He
was
wasn't my type because I feel like the attire, like how he put himself together, and also like, I don't know, how he was talking. I didn't like that.
all right.
You're not getting no more question. You gotta take over your show. No, man. Next time.
So what's like,
Socials, bro.
Graham Jr. on
Instagram. Yeah.
Why did we pop while she was talking?
The issue that she had with the guy down there, I guess, I sense trust issues. But other than that, well-spoken young lady, beautiful. I'll give you an 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, that's just it for me. I don't do trust issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about what he said?
I think he's right. I do have a little bit of trust issues. But I think it just depends on the person who I'm talking to and the reassurance that I get. I wouldn't be like as bothersome or anything like that.
Understood. I can
This
understand
video is
How much
perplexing.
you
Like,
rate
I
out of
don't
10?
even know
I
what
give him
to
a 9.
say.
I like his outfit and how he looks.
Nice. Nice. Why did we pop after the trust issues, my friend? Socials first.
Yeah, the real Javan on Instagram. Yeah.
All right, why did we pop?
Trust issues. I got a problem down the line.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure. Sure. I was with her up until then.
How are you sure you're going to have a problem with trust issues?
Because I just feel like you're traveling with past trauma.
Okay. Is it that
Everybody travels with past trauma.
or is it that you learn from your mistakes so you're not as trusting as before?
Exactly.
Yeah, let's say that.
Okay.
I guess it's a case where he doesn't want
So
you to
she's not wrong.
the past into his present and judge him based on the past.
I don't, but I guess based on his situation, that would be true. The guy with the traveling thing.
Okay. So how much would you rate her out of 10?
I give her a 7.5. She looks good. Herself together well. I like the toes.
Big twat.
How much would you rate
Big
him?
twat.
I give him a 7. I think he's cool.
Okay, not bad. Well, we didn't have any matches today. I guess you're too adventurous and you're not trusting enough, but it's okay.
It's okay.
Too
We'll find someone
adventurous
for
and
you
not
someday.
trusted.
You know?
Yeah, I'm gonna be back. I
Alright.
must find my match.
Okay, love that. All right. Take a step, Coco. Bye. Oh my God. Remember, when you need to get your photography,
Yo,
wait.
no free promo. Shush, shut up your mouth. Yeah, yo, let me move my camera to the. Can you guys see on my screen? No, I'm blocking. Have I been blocking them the entire time? Oh my God. No bueno. Alright, hopefully, yeah, this will be alright. Yeah. We can block the man them, cause we don't want to see no man anyway. We can block them. Yeah.
Man, she does music for work, guys. What do you do for fun?
Well, I like to sing for fun. And I smoke a lot of weed, so.
Whoa!
That is it.
Yo, I'm gonna light up for that.
I'm sorry, I like the man them about weed, that's all
Alright. Let's start with you. Let's find out. Why did we pop?
Wait. To me, I kind of really like female way.
Smoke weed?
Yeah.
That's cool. Grow up with it. Live. Born and grow. Sorry about that, father.
Understand.
Hold on, I need your time, partner.
Understand that, but rating wise, yeah, 6 anyway.
6?
Yeah.
What do you think about that? What do you think about him?
I mean, you're not really about type still. We can give a 6. But, you know, pick up yourself. Yeah?
Davon, why did we pop?
Can I answer a question?
Sure. It's a question night for you.
Yeah. Otherwise from weed, you take any other medication, like drugs?
No.
Just weed alone?
Marijuana. That alone we do.
Okay. And like how often you say?
Fun weed?
Yeah.
Every day.
Every day.
Okay, she look alright. She's in a good shape. I think I like the sweater. Want sweater?
It's like a knitted sweater. Yeah.
Okay, alright. Yeah, JLP?
No, you know. We're not really follow politics, but we're there same way, you know?
Alright.
Yeah.
Is it?
How much I get her to 10?
I lay.
I like my girl look a bit.
Thick. See ya, man. No, man. Just go now.
Yeah, so I'm
Yo,
here.
so yeah, interrupt the man sentence, so yo, make the man talk, no?
You can get 6 too.
A reciprocation is?
Yeah, I mean, you're nice when I go around there, but not really, you know?
Okay. So we'll figure it out. Why did we pop today?
Yeah, honestly, I vibe. I kind of like the fact that you try something for yourself and I appreciate that.
Thank you.
But honestly, I don't think you're not tired.
That's fine.
Why? First, I don't know if your lifestyle and my lifestyle, you know, agree with each other.
What is your lifestyle?
I'm just more of a laid back person.
So why you don't
But
think I'm laid back?
I like adventure too, but.
So what about me? He says I'm not laid back and don't like adventure love?
You got in the spotlight too often if you do music, yo.
True.
Isn't it?
Can't manage that.
No,
That's
I'm never from it because.
So why you bring it up? Yo, you see what I mean by sometimes these niggas be losing me? Like, bro, Like not sometimes, every video the man them just get the GPS and just drive off course, bro.
Type of environment you got in?
What kind of music you think me do?
Never asked that. No,
There you
question.
go. Now you just get can't.
You're good, man. Do you?
Yes, but just fucked up right there.
Alright, that's true. But to be honest, I don't feel it energy.
It's cool.
Isn't it? You know?
Tita?
Yeah.
Big up yourself, killer.
How much should I give her out of 10?
I give her 6.
How much should I give?
Get what the same
Till
thing.
say reciprocation of your name, you know.
Reciprocity.
Oh my God. Friendship buddies.
My friend zone her, brother. She's an artist.
That is it.
My producer, brother. What house record, but now I go mix.
That is
Now I
it.
go mix that with pleasure, you see me?
That is it.
Friend zone, I'm a charge you.
Appreciate that. Appreciate that.
All a 9, baby. I'm a friend.
9, 10. As a matter of fact, I can get her 10, my killer. That is it.
Yeah, but now I go. I'm a co-worker.
Oh? Okay.
Okay.
What you talking? Ask her what?
Okay.
What is it? What is it?
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
You smoke before the show start? You high?
No, this is my personality.
That's your
at home.
personality? Alright, you cheer it up. I like that.
Yeah, what is your question? All of these
One
poppers.
question.
That's one.
One question.
Yes.
On a normal day-to-day basis, when you not perform, like you hang out on the corner like with the youth them.
What do you mean by hang out
Like,
on the
you know,
corner?
like when them up on the corner, bun weed.
Like sit down and bun weed with the dogs. Them. Not really still. Me not kind of ends. No, me like in my yard. Me a bun weed in my room. Up on the AC type shit. You know what I'm saying?
Rich.
Yeah, that is it.
Why did we pop creme?
Alright, so I could go through this from the start. So first when you come out, I never like our outfits at first. But I say, alright, may I give her a chance?
Alright,
'Cause
first of all, this brother is in no situation in any realm of reality to be going down a list. Oh, when I first start? Oh, where do I start? Brother, keep it short and simple and move on, bro. I don't care what job you have. I don't care how much money you make. You look like that. Sir, stop. You see what I mean, bro? Sometimes the man them just have no self-awareness. What is he talking about?
my papa really last one, I say, you know. And then she said she the music. And, you know, me aspire an artist, so I kind of intrigued, isn't it? Because, yeah, we have a question for you, by the way. What kind of music do you do?
Well, I do a mixture between R&B and dancehall, but I also do reggae music as well.
Okay. Yeah. Isn't it? So, but then she bring up a smoking thing. I'm a man with asthma, isn't it? So,
yeah, make it sound like my football with you and you make you respect your space, love?
No, sir.
No?
If me have a woman, she have there on me. Constantly, isn't it? So, if I go there with me and I smoke,
so I make it look like
it does not go work.
what you mean now? 5 feet? I'm just a say
You see what I mean? You see what I mean? I can tell a lame ass nigga from the start. Oh my God, from the first sentence, my pause and be like, you know, that little monologue before was just to let you know I said my lame nigga radar is going off. Lame nigga alert. Lame nigga alert. Bro, the balloon done pop. She's not fighting for you. What you mean? Like, you see what I mean by these guys be losing me.
You look like
it does not go work.
what you mean now? 5 feet? I'm just a say a thing.
It does not go work.
I just a say a thing. I just did I say something still. Sorry about that, killer.
I'm strong against smoking. Sorry.
Cheetah? Yeah. All about it. Sorry about that.
I'm strong against smoking. Sorry. Bro, who the fuck are you? No one gives a fuck.
How much did I give it to 10?
Before the smoking, maybe a 7, but because I smoking like a 5.5.
You can get like a 8. You know, your personality no bad.
Yeah, like, make a giggle sometimes.
Yeah, no bad.
Why did we have a pop here?
So I'm gonna talk about positives first.
Okay.
If that's okay. I love your vibe.
Thank you.
Like it's really
Appreciate you.
out there. You lost me at the weed. Asthmatic. I can't. It's just, you know, it just wouldn't work.
It just wouldn't work.
But me need a favor from you though. Why you sing?
You hear me sing?
Yeah, just give me one little line, vocal or something.
My DJ and sing. I can't bother sing right now. Can't bother sing. Can I DJ for you?
I'll give you a piece.
Interesting how destiny works. I'm left in the time. I better planted best of my curse. Hoop on a pedal, but the inverse. Investing all the time. That's personal. Fancy original experience. Regional. I'm a guy's also. I'm a fine goal. That's not fictional. That's if you get from regional. We are Tony native in a speak. What does have a do? We got to keep keeping until the streets will not like a bit. That is it. Wow. Thank you.
I love that.
Yes.
I love that.
I gave out the 10 because you asked me to sing, and that's what I wanted to do.
I love how you guys popped and y'all are having a grand time.
Yes.
I like dance a lot. That's what I reggae.
And see, you're listening. That is my friend right
Alright,
there.
so first thing first, she kind of tall. So that first.
You're taller than me.
Yeah, but
You're literally taller than me.
yeah, still.
How tall are you?
6 foot.
Nigga, please. How tall?
6 flat man.
Like, nigga, like, come on, we like in heels, like, I'd still be like beside you.
Yeah, so she can't talk. I have a problem with the weed. I usually talk to a girl who born and grew in Canada, so me and them bunny we had over it.
True.
So, tall. I mean, like the crooks. The crooks chew me.
Hello, I didn't come. Hello.
Your jacket fire though.
Guys, listen to me. I didn't come here dressed up for this. Tell him now. Tell him. Vouch for me. Because I didn't come here dressed. I usually dress really nice.
So you look like on a regular day. Well, not a regular, but a hot day.
But a hot day?
I want to see that.
You have to follow me on Instagram.
Alright,
that is it.
That is it.
I just really like, guys, I have a really good sense of style. If my outfit, I have a really good sense of style. Please follow me on Instagram.
How much should I give her that thing?
I'll give her a 7.
7?
Like her vibe. Plus,
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still not finished because she having earpods in her ears too.
Oh, yeah, I'm not listening though. Are you my ear?
Yeah, man, and the crooks. The jacket tough still. Like it.
Thanks.
Yeah, but that nigga in the line of in him
I'm
AirPods
innocent, big
too.
up Joet. You know what I'm saying? Half a tree upstairs.
How much should I give him out of 10?
You know, actually like the drip, it little basic, but it cute. There's if someone can get like an 8.5. You know what I'm saying? You are my actually only one that actually meds to say. Sorry about that for everybody else. What actually you did it.
Alright, not
That
bad,
is
not
it.
bad.
See that, Krishna? So you have a chance, Krishna. You have a chance, Krish.
We didn't have any much. We can't tell. It's not bunny weekly. Tattoo with yourself.
They won't. See that?
Embedded in you. So
It won't go away, I'm sorry.
we'll find someone for you someday. Just not tonight.
When I come back, my shame.
Jaja.
Shame like that.
No matter so far.
You see, bro, I'm telling you, you can't pay me. You can't convince me. There's nothing you could say to me to say, yo, fall upon and pop the balloon. No. Why? When I can stay home and react to everybody and talk shit.
Niggas try to where were they going? Honest, picky. Like you pick one and use buffalo balloon, I stingy me there go. But I said that don't make no sense. So guys, remember Soca Tour JA underscore.
Yo. My AdSense wasn't tingling, so yeah, catch me off guard.
What do you do for fun?
Party.
Yo. Biddy.
And watch movie.
Not bad. So we haven't had a pop so far. That's good. Congrats. Because these guys are very picky. What I'm gonna want you to do now, you're gonna pop
Biddy.
2 balloons based on which 2 guys you feel that wouldn't give you head.
Yo, what?
I'm telling this here. No, pop on the balloon based on my question. So can I get 1, 2, 3 more balloons? Can I get about 3 balloons? Bad man, not me doing. Man, just tranquil, father. Can I get 3 balloons, please?
Tranquila.
Yeah. No friend, man. Remember, say this now, nothing to do with Unu, you know. I just, jeez, I just tranquil, me killers.
From here, it just.
Tranquil. Yo, so at least skip to when the balloon them forward back now. You just have me there and watch people stand up.
You got one cookie?
So we're just gonna pop. How much money is it? 2?
I remember.
3. 3 balloons based on 3 guys you feel like out of the lineup, the 3 guys you feel like just go do it. You want them type of thing, by the way? So you don't feel like him, I go give you. That's good. Congrats.
Do you have glasses?
You need to look at them, yeah? Wow.
Do you have glasses?
Yo, and this brother remind me of Krishna too. No, sir. Yo, Krishna, you have a heap of replica in a society, you know.
Live up your glasses, my killer. Like you well want the boss, my killer.
You just look like you. Okay, no, you're right, but.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
That's not my killer.
No, just.
We had a pop right here. First, why did we pop? We know the reason, but what was
Well,
going through
you
your
asked the
headspace?
question and he pops, so obviously
He doesn't want
he
it.
doesn't do it.
Okay, but he popped and he didn't pop his butt. Never mind. How much do you rate him out of 10?
7.
7? Would he be
Bro,
someone
this
that you
is
go
what
for?
Jamaica has gone to.
Yeah.
We're doing these
What do you
things
think,
in
what do you think
public.
about her?
Oh, I'm sure. Probably 8.
8?
Yeah.
Not bad. That's a question, make no much no bad. It's okay. Why did we pop here?
Because they need another pop.
But remember, you know, as me always I go tell you, him did pop, you know.
Yeah, I know, but we probably want to hear more what I'm say.
She just said she
How
like
much you
him
rate him
more.
out of 10?
She like him more.
1.6.
6?
Yeah, I think that's just too simple.
Just too simple?
Yeah.
Just too.
You think about that?
Wait. So the last girl said him dressed too simple. So that's why she pop on him. But then now, or a female before said that, and then now she said him dress simple, but one girl said she like theme outfit. So you see, as a man, you can't win, you know, bro. It's like, if she like you, she just like you, bro. Like, there's no amount of clothes you could have wear, no amount of job you could have. If she just like you, she just like you, bro. Because you will walk out there so, and you will get 10 different opinions on what you need to do.
Well, I don't know if I think about the answer there, honestly. But you made the right decision in popping my balloon still, because I don't give it.
Oh, even better.
Even better?
Continue.
I just want question with you, even better. Why did you pop? Spouse of, why did you pop my friend's balloon?
Because in the pop before, so that's why.
But you're looking at him eye and then you walk away and then you come back. So what would you think about? See, I'm sure what can you
Yeah, because in pop, someone just pop it.
Just pop
because
it.
he want it pop.
You want it pop?
Yeah.
How much did I give him out of 10?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't like the outfit.
You don't like the outfit?
No.
What do you think about that, bro?
A fair opinion. I give her a -0.
There's no such thing as -0. Zero is literally the only number that can't be positive or negative. It's literally the only number that represents a neutral state. How can you...
You don't come from planet Earth.
You don't come from planet
You don't like
Earth.
your glasses.
I don't like
Look
this.
nerdish and fool.
You know what I'm saying about girls who wear glasses?
You're not nerd, I'm not bad.
Well, so be it if I don't like the glasses.
Yeah, all I want, man. Or a 0 negative. But you look. Go on.
Come continue.
Go on, bossy.
I never know 0 good or negative.
Why you doing that, bro? She too smiley, bro. I like when mom have a level of seriousness about her. You know what I say?
Okay.
Facts. Facts.
I think the glasses real. Plus, I like girls with two done. You know what I say?
Wow, one time. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Plus, when you come in, you draw your foot. There's a clap, come here. So,
Yeah, drag slippers, love girl party. Yeah, giggly. Yeah.
I mean, she still looks good, so I'll give her a 7.5.
Okay. What do you think about everything what he just said?
I mean, I feel opinion, but it's okay.
How much did I give him out of 10?
1.7. Because it's more blue and blue, so you have an idea.
Him have an idea. Him a go on baby shower, baby girl. That's it. That's all.
No.
Him have a baby shower for go after this. That's all.
Do you have glasses?
Yo, the man look like Krishna, dog.
I mean, I really have a reason. But I just don't think would I go for him.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have balloons, right? So all the balloonless guys, just take a step. Alright.
You answer the question?
Yeah, man, I hear time to ask a question, man. Not fret. Because remember, she just popping us at 4 time to make up. Alright, so each of you guys get to ask her one question. That one. You get 2. But each of you guys get one question, and based on her response, you choose if you want to pop or not. Okay?
Is head a requirement?
No, it's not. It's not.
You sound like you want to say but.
Yeah, that's the same.
I want to hear but.
But it would be nice. But it's not a requirement.
That means that she get to be 4.
Just want to follow up. Did you say what kind of work you say though?
Lash.
Online
Lash.
business, yeah.
Online lash. You sell lash.
Yeah.
Or so you don't actually do it.
No.
Oh. And you say something about party. What kind of party? You talk about?
Just any kind.
You see what
Not
I mean?
really like any, but mostly big parties. Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Yeah, that sound like it. Yeah.
But we're still on pop, not no bad.
Guys, no, this before. What's your highest level of education?
I'm a university student currently.
Okay. What are you studying?
I'm going to major in human resources.
I'm sorry.
We still get up to that one there.
You see what I mean by I can tell a
You can
lame
cook?
nigga from
Yeah.
far?
You sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. Let me check.
So we had a pop.
One more question.
That one.
Yo!
Are you single?
Yeah, I wouldn't be here.
Oh, she never hesitate.
Yeah, I get that. Okay.
She hesitate.
Alright. That's alright. It's a test. It was a test.
Why did we pop?
Alright, you see, the butt. No, how long you think she can go long without?
The butt?
Yeah, because, you see, for me, yeah, if me be honest, I want a rose time I go buy. Because, you see, until me get married, I believe some need for I did something, you see me?
Oh, so you say if you're married, I'd consider it?
I'd consider it, but right now,
no. I can't kill her for that. How much should I get her with that thing?
I get her, to be honest, I like the simple look. You know, business, her glasses actually look cute to me, you see me? So, get her 9 actually.
I can nearly bingo down here. I just need to kind of tone on your freak. You can't much a freak. How much should I give
Tone on
you
your
for that thing?
freak.
I'm gonna give you my 8.
Not bad. Not bad. We're popular. Never mind. Hold on. Why did we popular human resource not like her?
I never said not like human resource.
Sounds like it.
Because my girlfriend had human resource.
Girlfriend?
Yeah, so I can have 2
So why,
women.
wait. Why are you
I'm
here?
talking. So I can have 2 women with the same thing. You see me? You see me? I say.
You see what I mean by I can tell a lame nigga from far, bro?
But if you have diversity in my thing. You see me?
I wish I did have a balloon for my puppy.
Like them genuinely think that's funny, you know?
Alright, stop.
Them
How much
genuinely
are
think
you
that's funny.
Oh, that thing, she look nice. Like, as him said, the simple look, it look nice, but I don't like her watch.
G-Shock?
I don't like the color of the watch. I don't think G-Shock look good in a pink.
Well, pink is my favorite color.
Okay.
So what I mean?
Pink is my girlfriend's favorite color, pink, so that one work. I feel
So what
diversity.
I mean, I
So,
can just
but
tell
watch,
lame
you know this subtract
nigga.
stuff and
Like the
numbers, so
radar
yeah.
just went
All men are
off, bro.
dogs.
It's
How much
through
you
the
give him out of 10?
charts.
Right
It's
now, I
over
get a
9,000.
No, 1. Why are you unsure if you have a girlfriend?
Diversity.
Good for you.
Come back, little. Come on. No, man, why did we go?
Nothing wrong with that. A test glass, that?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with her.
So why you pop?
I think we can facilitate our lifestyle.
What do you mean?
Party lifestyle, we can. I'm a Christian, so we can. Go to church and everything.
I go to church.
You go to church too?
Yeah, like partying doesn't subtract going to church.
Yes, it kinda does.
No.
It kinda does.
You make a decision.
She feisty.
Yeah.
It should.
And attitude. Yeah.
Much like
Out of 10? This one looks alone.
Just based on where you're here. Know where you're
She speaks well.
Yeah.
She smile. She look decent. I give her a 7. Solid 7.
Not bad.
Solid 7.
7. No, just really a 7.
Okay. All right, 1 balloon left, guys.
I'm not getting rating yet still.
Oh, you
Now you see what I mean by lame nigga, bro?
You want a genuine
You can't
rating?
judge me based off if I say to me I have a girlfriend.
Yeah. Let's minus
what I
him
mean,
not having
bro?
a lady. How much would you
By
give
lame nigga?
the young man?
I'd have given a 7.5.
Okay, thank you. That's all I want.
All right. Do you have any question that you want to ask him?
What do you do for work?
I'm a master's student and I'm also a business owner.
What kind of business?
I sell Pandoras and also designer bags.
Okay.
Any more question you want to ask her?
Yeah. Where do you see yourself do in 5 years?
Working in my field that I'm trying to major in.
Okay.
Yeah. I want to be comfortable in life, probably not living in Jamaica. Yeah, something like that.
Okay. Also, more for wait for it?
Wait for what?
As in, I got what he meant, you know, but you still have to specify, though.
I like people in a straightforward. Sorry.
Wait for what? Wait for what?
I like people in a straightforward. Like to get to the point.
But
Yeah.
you never
Have a
straightforward.
great day,
though.
though.
You say
Really pretty.
it.
Thank you.
How long would he have to wait on the frontal
It
area?
depends. It really depends.
On?
Exactly.
On him.
And
how he
yes,
stay.
and if how much she like him.
So if him
She don't like
want
him
it
that much.
in a 1 week,
So he
Yeah,
gotta
it could
wait.
happen.
3 days time,
That kind of too short.
4 days time,
1 week is short enough.
1 week shot, you know.
Yeah.
So I never say that from Mr.
Cause you never.
Cause you not gonna get
Like
it in a
decisive,
1
bro.
I'm very
week.
indecisive.
That's what she wants to say. Cause you not gonna get it in a 1 week.
Cause
Just you
never.
not gonna get it in a 1
Like
week,
decisive
brother.
people.
Well, I'm very indecisive.
Nah, don't work.
Yeah.
So we didn't get a match. We were almost there. Kiki, you just need to be more decisive about how
my
you know your time frame with giving it away. But we'll definitely try to find you love some other time. But it's just not tonight, Kiki. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Just take a step and have a nice day. Nice night. You could have get in a 1 week.
You have to tell me that. You want it for sure. You say
Nah,
1
get
week
it
or
in
1 week. You know,
week.
say, get one. No, go on.
I get it now.
Remember what I'm telling you though. If you want your photograph,
Yo, with Bumba Ross. Oh, so I realize him and Rolly and the whole of them is just some promotion In motion. Alright. Bombard. I want a fat girl. I want a roly-poly. I want a big girl. Make me bang holy. Old fat girl roll it. Send roll fat girl roll it. Send roll fat girl roll it. Send roll fat girl roll it. Brother, she is rolling. Brother, she need for name Rolly. Yo, Rolly, you Rolly no name Rolly no more. She is the real Rolly. She is the rolliest of all the rollies. She's the Rolex. Rolex, hey baby. Rolex. She don't tick, she glide.
Alright, what's the social?
She glide.
I beg your pardon?
You're social.
Swedish.
Swedish?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Yeah, cause you're Swedish, baby. You're Swedish.
What do we do for work?
I'm a hairstylist.
You're a stylist, and what do you do for fun?
My type.
Play PUBG.
Play PUBG?
Yeah, game.
Yeah.
I don't say I will get some of them hard for that. And just, what's your ick in men? What's a ick you have in men?
Yo, I love Swedish. Yo, Swedish.
I don't really have no ick in men.
You know, no ick?
No.
Okay. Alright, so we had 2 pops.
Yeah,
We're gonna start right here. 3, correct.
That's fine.
But we'll start here. Why did we pop, bro?
So you know I'm not ick in a man, but guess what? That one of the biggest ick she have.
What she have?
Yeah. I know I'm a stylist. Bad brother, big up. Me and my sister, every time when something for go on, she was call me, I bring her go, she go and everything. There's me, so I kind of feel like, oh, yeah, if me and I start something when me and my sister did out, I'm closer to her sister than she.
Okay. You and the sister?
Kind of feel like backdoor.
Fable double.
No, fable double. But I'm closer to the sister than she.
me,
So
yeah.
kind of weird for you?
Yeah.
Your dog now want to conquer 2
No, me
sister
can't rate
tree.
him.
No, I don't really like your friend rating, no, but sure, right, come. Me is not like a friend rater. But how much should I rate him out of 10?
7?
7?
Yeah.
I don't know why she glad for
Yeah.
Right. It's because I'm here to look good next time. But she's a very good girl. I like her things on me know. So she's a very good entrepreneur, no? Like that. So I get her 10.
Nice.
Period. Impact. I want to go to him first.
It has came on late.
Yeah.
So you want him first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She just
Why did you
nice.
pop so?
Dog, she pretty as fuck. I not take that from her. She articulate herself. She had tickers, but she does too thick. She
That's
too
right.
sweet. You know, she did just little bit of me.
Are you?
Yeah, brother. And she pretty. Sweet, baby.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How much should I give her 10?
9, brother. You may tell us your preps, brother. Just 2.
Tell her.
Little tip slimmer.
No, little tip.
Little tip.
Look at
Yeah.
Okay.
How much should I rate him out of 10?
7?
7.
Yeah.
Would he be someone that you go for?
Why-
No.
why is Chef looking at the line?
Dark skin. Yeah.
I don't know about it. It's just your preference. Fine. But next time I ask about somebody, no look panic your ass. I hit me and have some.
Yeah, my girl, look up the line.
Can I
My
spouse
girl
eyes?
scan the line.
So you're that puppy many years.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the first thing. She not like marriage, so.
Yeah.
But you never
But
know that.
otherwise, from that, we can read mine. Anyway, I don't. Anyway, you say you play PUBG.
Yeah.
I'm not really doing the phone thing. I kind of go.
Yeah, like
that.
someone play a game?
Yeah, cause me, I'm not really doing that.
That's fine.
Yeah, so.
I love it though.
Okay. On the positive though, I like how her facial expression, she very pleasant.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I like that.
Thanks.
Radar.
Yeah, what are they?
Based on everything.
Bro.
They give her a
like,
6.
when people pop
Solid 6.
randomly,
Solid
it's
6.
just...
How much should I
Can I
give
answer a question? One question.
Sure, no, man.
How old are you?
Say
I'm
anything.
25.
Okay.
She's 25?
I'm not rate him.
I'm just going to say how much you want to give him?
CM6.
CM6?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I 6 him give me. So I return the favor. Yeah.
Reciprocators. Why did we have a late pop here?
Instigator, reciprocator.
Yeah,
Him can
not really
manage.
my time.
And that's fine. I want to take for now.
Honestly, I was just trying to hear you on because they really have a nice way of saying things. You look really good for.
So what make me know your type?
I know they like them too.
So as Marie told you, I should have papa.
Yeah, but what want to have to say first?
You don't want to hear because my physique not match you.
Suppose
So
I
now
don't
listen
got
to what I'm
gym
saying.
together.
No, I don't go gym with you.
No, but give me that.
Nope.
I don't understand.
How much should I give her?
Honestly, I'm not give a 7. Nice because you know.
Not bad. How much should I give him?
6.5.
You know, reciprocate the fine. Okay. Would he be someone that you go
She's
for?
salty now.
No.
She's salty now.
She's
salty now.
She said she not like light
Oh,
skin.
she's salty now.
Not like dark skin niggas, it's not him. Yes, I.
Why?
Why?
I find them one, I'm salty fan.
She's salty.
That one is the voice of the people.
Alright. Yeah, alright, you know. We're just not my type.
Are you
Like,
fell
just
upon
have.
the
Are you ask the question? Yes.
What's your type? Yeah.
My type of, I'm coming here. So, what's your problem?
No, man. What's your
Alright,
type?
I like dark skin in appearance.
Yeah.
Dark skin men. But I'm more of personality, I go for. Yes, right?
Oh.
Yes, height. Yes, height.
Skin buds. Jesus.
Yes, height.
So, we know about me.
Me don't
Like,
know about you,
alright,
pop some, you know,
alright,
feel
no,
me, so I don't
what-
want you because you first never want me. Yes, right? You say my body
That's-
type and not
that's
for
a-
you,
that's
so I'm
a
left
good
it there, so yes,
That's
right?
a good one.
Alright, so can we want to feel them when up? I'm more question.
And balloon poppers. Take a step. Take a step. Man's want know our balloon retainers. You see me? So,
Nobody.
where do you go now? Them deep pop first. So your time to do a pop now. So question now.
Jesus.
I want you to ask each of them a question. Wow, we still have 3 balloons. That's crazy. I want you to ask each of them a question.
Still have full chance.
We still work out that. You're gonna ask each of them a question, and based on the least attractive answer, you're gonna pop 2.
Alright.
So 2. So
I'm
just
a very God-fearing person.
Yo,
believe
hearing
in
all
God
of
and
this
Christianity.
pop, I want some popcorn.
Oh,
Pause.
same question for everybody.
Yeah, fair
Kettle
play.
corn.
Amen, amen.
Kettle
Pray
corn.
morning and that.
Awesome.
Yeah, okay. No, I'm Baptist, Christian also.
Don't ramp with me. Alright.
don't run with her, you know.
My love it, look. Alright.
Me not even hear what she said.
I don't
but me
believe in
not
God.
religious.
Yeah, I'm gonna find something else. And you want me to ask him something for you?
Ask him.
Alright. That's all I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? I can nervous. Alright. Can you have 3 balloons? We can start with it. Do you like thickers?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. If you see my name, match it. Yeah, I love the
Yes.
Which position is the first position if you put her in?
Yo.
Foot pan shoulder, without a
Shut
doubt. I have to look in your face. I have to.
You're very rude.
You're very rude.
Who do you think could be number 1 in the relationship? She or your girlfriend?
What girlfriend?
Oh, you're single?
Wait a minute.
I'm sorry.
See what I mean, bro?
I'm gonna have to articulate my question differently. Hold on, give me 3 seconds. Where do you see yourself in 3 years? 3 years with her?
Hopefully inside her. I'm kidding.
Jesus,
In
brother.
3 years with her. What did you say you do for work again?
I'm a hairstylist.
Hopefully we can grow me here and plait up you.
So you support the business.
You see me?
Love to see it. And yeah, it looks like it. You feel like you can lift her up, father?
Don't try.
Far up, it depends, you know.
When I say lift her up, I don't just mean lift her up in our bedroom.
Oh, yeah, man, yes, man.
Sympathy.
Most likely, yeah.
Sympathy.
Most
So
likely.
based
yeah.
on everything, when we just ask, I feel like too much. If we just pop 1 balloon, I feel like say it's still rough. Everybody give answer what you like. So now,
Just pop anyone.
just pop 1.
Where is the pick?
Just pop 1.
Yeah, give me like I'm pop here. Oh God, this is tough, guys. I don't know answer. We're not going to do no self.
Nah, lie. They rated the maximum, believe.
Them can rock paper scissors a joke.
Yo, why the man a lean so?
Why you looking at me like
Why
that?
the man a lean like that?
I'm sorry. Not personal. Foot pan shoulder business.
Oh.
Yeah.
So why did we pop my friend right here?
Just pop because I'm pop one.
But
Mana-
a 4 person say pop his.
Yeah, alright. I like say him a go support my business. Yeah. But him did answer to again. Him liked it because
Yeah.
him did answer to again.
You can lift you up in a room.
Him can lift me up. So
You ever get that before?
Jesus Father, no comment. But I don't know.
I will name Julian.
My mama.
Oh, big up your mother.
Period. But yeah, I just pop sick.
You just pop 6. Yeah, so
Yeah,
really
nice.
actually, you need to forget a pop. But you just have a Philippine because somebody did forget.
Somebody did I forget it, babes.
That's fine.
Hush.
Maybe in another life.
How much you
In another
Yeah,
life.
she's really beautiful. I
Thank
like this, man.
you.
I like
Yo,
this.
me not like them
Thanks.
little comment
That's
there. Me not like them
Thank
little
you.
backhand comment.
I'd give my 8.5. He's nice.
I can get a backhand.
I want it too long for the show. So, go and take a step, Michaela. You did. So now they get a chance to ask you a question, and based on your reply, they decide if they want to pop. But don't worry, just 3 balloons. I think you have like 3 strikes. So, ask away, bro.
Alright, question. Alright. So you're my hairstylist, right?
Yes, I am.
So if your man was a Rasta, would you lock his hair for free?
I would, but I don't specialize in locks.
Oh, okay, cool.
What is your highest level of education?
I graduated
Wanna
high
ask
school with
himself.
60 subjects.
Okay. good diverse.
Alright. Me don't want to say this because man says foot punch shoulder vex. Like head.
What?
Like head.
What's that?
He wants to know if you gargle the football.
Like candy.
I beg your pardon? I don't like his question. Can I pop his balloon?
Say you know head.
I didn't say I didn't. I just didn't answer your question.
You know, like indecisiveness.
Alright. Me like say yo. You know where you want to. So that's why balloon name still intact. Me ask a different question.
Man have 3
You get so
balloons.
much chance.
No man, can I come if I find love? You know them.
Hey! Yo. Don't put back that clip there.
Shit. Alright, so where you see yourself in the next 3 years?
In the next 3 years, owning my own salon and employing persons, like creating job opportunity for others.
That's nice. That's nice. Where do you live?
That up.
Kingston.
That up.
It's a 25.
Mm-hmm.
Everything works. Like older woman than me. And you're by a year, so that's good.
Okay.
Yeah, maturity.
That don't really mean anything.
They do.
I'm an
That
auditor.
literally
Auditor.
means
Auditor?
Yes, also a master student.
Okay.
Yeah, so me get my shit together, you know?
Oh, so I'm a picker. Yeah, I'm a picker. You give me pick me. Pick me.
My girl say you're giving pick me. Wow. If ever in my life a woman has to tell me I'm giving pick me, I'm going home. I don't need to be there anymore.
Alright. So
What's that?
No, the accident, you know.
Yeah, puppy it.
No, I have it shaking him and I asked him to give me fee because I accident made it pop for him.
You want to?
So okay, so based on the questions that you guys asked, are we keeping the balloon?
What did you ask again?
You are.
Yes.
One more? Sure. Are you an Android or Apple user?
Apple Watch, iPad,
Okay.
Apple phone, AirPods, everything Apple.
So nobody wants to pop their balloon?
Well, hold on. We can't find any.
No, I don't say work. Alright. So now,
You need to pop now?
you're gonna pop one balloon. No, you can't pop one. Because I'm gonna ask about everything you want to ask. So you have to go pop 2 balloons. No, you're gonna have to pop 2 balloons based on just attraction. Literal attraction. So basically, you pick your match in a sense.
Yeah. Please don't eat off my head. Where would I
Eat
take
off my head,
balloon?
what?
Yeah, I'm pop here.
We see attraction. We see attraction, bro. We see.
Pick me! The pick me, yeah? Pick me!
A what? And you pick the pick me? I thought pick me is like a negative term. You pick the pick me? Watch him face,
Okay,
one face light up.
What type there it is? Sorry.
How much did I give? No, that's one way ratings.
He would get a solid 9.
Solid 9?
Him look nice.
How much did I rate her?
Probably a 10.
Probably a 10.
Probably a 10. Okay, thanks.
Alright, now we're at that. How much did I give him out of 10?
8.5. Him cool. Personality wise, yep. Nice.
I'm gonna give her a 10 because, you know, my girlfriend kind of a different shape from she. So it's like diversity.
Oh, you have a woman now?
So you make the right choice. You have a woman.
I think you're not telling that if you're not the bingo. But alright. Take a step. It's alright. Do you have anything that you want to ask him?
No?
Sure.
Wait, I'm asking you.
Like you know enough?
We'll get there.
We'll get there.
You have any kids?
No. You?
No.
Oh.
None of that no.
That's what
Why you look fun? Die you
That you
first.
know of?
Yes.
Oh, this one?
Right. You live alone?
No, I live in an extended family.
Right. Tired.
You're breaking my heart.
What?
We cute. Yeah, careful.
So, you keep this balloon?
Yeah, keep that one here.
Alright, you have anything you want to ask him?
No.
Alright, so this is my final question, guys. Is it a match for you?
What?
Take time.
Dog, you see what I mean, bro? Like, there's no respectful way that you can do a 360. There's none. There's none.
Is it a match for you?
Yeah, that's still there.
Yeah, still there. And is it a match for you?
Yes.
Guys, it's a match. Give me a round of applause.
That's right. Finally, we get a match. All right. Thank God we get a match.
Nah, like, me never feel like no match like that tonight, but...
Alright, we get one match.
We
get one match. Yo, but you see, that's how you know quality, you know. Quality over quantity, you know. You see how much woman fouled out, and as soon as the tickers fouled out, you see how I was reacting to my tickers. Yeah, I know quality, yeah. I know quality. Yeah, like I went to quality. Yeah.
Oh no,
quality, man.
Mom, alright. We're gonna find out. Next female, come on out.
I know them when I see them, man. I just know.
Next year.
Yeah, my like you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been. You ever got ling. Brother, yeah, my Nubian queen. Yeah. What's your name?
What's your social?
I have a new social, so it's Elite Noor. Please follow that page. And my TikTok is JJ Bay.
All right. And what do you do for work?
Well, I do a lot of stuff. But my main thing that I'm focusing on right now is I'm a private chef, and I work from home. And I know I'm gonna get a lot of DMs, so I'm starting a recruiting company. So if I want a work from home job, yeah.
That's good. And what do you do for fun? Because I don't think you have a lot of time.
I also do promotions, so I will go to parties. Not dancing promotion, just represent a team or a company. But you might ask question too early, like when I reach.
Yeah, you know you're saying.
So we haven't had a pop so far. So do you have any ick in men?
I don't like mean man, so if you're mean.
Mean man? When I'm on them, I'm each panny line of the date, man, them say, yo, woman forget money. That's the only okay. So now,
them meet out.
Alright, so now I have to go find something now. So now, that one, what I'm telling you?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Why do you feel I'm going to jump?
Okay.
Why did you pop that one?
What's your name again?
My name is Noor.
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 Noir. Oh, nothing wrong with her, no. By the way, nothing wrong with her. Appearance-wise, I feel like she do too much work. She have too much jobs to do. But she got party and stuff it. Yeah, that.
Yeah, as in, me not like the party thing neither. Me not like the party neither. Yeah.
Yeah.
Me not like the
Nice
party.
cook.
Private chef.
Private chef for who?
Different people.
Different
Like-
people like who?
If you want me to cook at a party, I will cook for you.
Oh, okay.
What's your rating today?
How old are you?
I'm 24.
My age.
You look fit.
Yeah.
I think you're a 7. Solid 7.
One thing, you know, but I'm a solid. How much should I give him all of that?
I'll give him a 6.
6?
Flavor.
Could he be someone that you go for? No? Alright, that one later. No more questions for you.
Science again.
Science again. Why did we step on our balloon, sir?
Me have my piece
Science
of food.
again.
Yeah,
My
what?
dinners, you know. My bread up, you know. So if you
Mute that one for me, please.
if you go walk in a relationship, you're supposed to can match me. You understand? You know, just give me half talk about mean man and them shit there. Type shit. You understand? No. My bread up.
What do you think about what you just said?
Yo,
I
what?
just think him extra.
You see me
extra?
extra now?
Yeah, I'm thinking
Cause
it's
like,
really
bro,
extra.
what am
You
I
don't
not
like extra,
talking
man?
about,
No,
bro?
unnecessary. Like, I want to be seen. I don't like that.
And then again, she shaped like one egg.
You're the moon. Brother, which part are shaped like one egg, bro? Bro, egg is like a ovalish, roundish. Bro, the girl mark and shape good and have curves and thing, bro. And bro, what is he talking about?
I know everybody can disagree with that.
Exactly.
That's my opinion.
I don't care.
It's
Move
not
on.
an expert opinion.
How much did I give it at 10?
It's -0.
Nothing, 0 of negative in but alright. How much did I give more than 10?
Me can't even find a number for game kind of exists. Like,
In the
there's no
exist.
number.
Asian, brother. I'm not like Asian.
Haitians are pretty.
She look like Asian.
I look like
See,
a dark
you
African
see, because he's losing the liquor. He was trying to be slick and it not working, so him feel bad. So him keep digging himself down into the grave, just a dig further and deeper and deeper, and it just getting worse. Now he's saying, oh, she look like Asian, meaning she's dark skinned And I don't like dark skinned people. So because he's light skinned, him feel like telling her that being dark skinned is like a diss. You see what I mean? Like, see what I mean by these guys are losing me?
Nor means
them lost, bro. Them lost in a life. Them lost, bro. Them lost.
You know,
that's why my name is Nai. It's French. Yeah, you're
back in the
smart.
days, some people used to live around the train and I'm used to been calling black and shy. You see me? Yeah. That kind of vibe they get. Alright, my father. A regular day.
Okay, Mr. Dieupapi, excuse me.
Never take the date, mama.
Next.
Hello.
Hi.
Why did we have a pop here?
So I'll just go with the positives. I like the fact that you know what you're doing, as well as that you want to have your recruitment company, you're the private chef, and all of that. You're just not my type.
That's fine.
That's it. That's just that. And I wish you the best with all your endeavors, though.
Okay.
How much did I give her out of 10?
A 7.
7? How much did I give him out of 10?
I will give him a 7 because he was respectful. I guess that's why some people single and can't find a relationship because you'll get a 7.
So then why is he single and can't find a relationship? Don't try and add your little digs. Just try and keep, level. Don't stoop to their level.
Have a great day.
All right.
Just and take a picture on the 3-page of my passport and send to me.
I don't want to be seen, like, why?
You see what I mean? Like, want to be seen, bro. Like, I just get lame nigga energy, bro. Just, oh my God.
Why you want to be seen? Why you have something to prove?
I might have to, this is what I can't speak. I might have to title this video, Lame Nigga Energy, bro. Honestly.
After they pop a bad.
You have something to prove, bro. You know have to prove nothing.
You call me a deportee, so I show you my docs them.
But, wait.
Can we continue, please?
No, so you come like you want to eat me up. Look here, sir.
Yo, why?
Continue
with the show.
I don't go back and forth. That's the one thing. Because you're not paying my bills and I don't care if I travel the world.
Exactly. We don't go back and forth.
Just walk off, yeah, man. Bye. Next.
Okay, I have a question. So now that the balloon poppers
You
are
need for
gone.
travel and fine.
Excuse me. So you said you're a private chef. Do you have any type of cuisine specifically that you're interested in, or you do all cuisines?
I just cook simple thing. I'm not extra.
Oh, can you give me an example of something that you?
Are you putting me on the spot? Alfredo. Regular Jamaican food. Alfredo pasta. Regular easy stuff. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any type of food allergies?
No.
All right. So those balloons were based on their popping. So now you're gonna have the chance to pop 2 balloons, right? No, like I don't want them balloon pop. Now you're just gonna pop 2 balloons based on 2 of them that you think can please you in the bed properly. Whoever you feel like can't handle in business, you have to pop 2 of them. Nah, line. That's what I mean. Nah, line. Man, I've out for himself.
Alright, let me just get this over with.
Boy.
Wow. Can I ask a question?
No, you never give him a chance to answer a question, so that's going to go unfair. You know what? Ask away.
He can get back up a little.
Ask the question. No worry about that. Ask the question.
How long can you guys last in the room?
Alright, so basically for me,
duration and how much rounds?
How much rounds?
Rounds and duration.
Could I cycle for 3?
3 rounds?
Yeah, duration. I think she can go for 3 rounds.
You think I can go?
Alright, so first of all, it depends on you. Cause if you're good, but probably all 4 rounds.
Duration, you say it just depends on
Depends on she.
To be honest, I'm a girl that normally asks for stop still.
Wow.
Yeah, answer the question. You probably get back up on.
Okay. Well, it depends on how long you can last.
But I don't say 15. But alright. Based on what you just heard.
Yeah, underestimate me just now, so. Yeah.
So you're giving him back or you're still popping his?
Yes, popping.
Still popping? Alright, so you don't like these two's reply. Even if the grammar come. Why did we pop 3 rounds?
Doesn't underestimate me, like, you don't think me can last.
You need somebody where I say, yeah man, she can handle it and okay.
So yeah.
How much would you rate him out of 10?
I'll get a 7.
7. And I think you want to say something.
Yeah. You see, because me never did want to mention the fact, say, majority of the time, the females, they say, so why so long? So that's what I'm saying, you know, maybe she can't last so long, because if me, If me last long, then it makes sense me have the 3-4 round for.
So you must say 1 round conquer 6. You know what I mean? You like a miss out. How much you rate him out? Yeah.
Oh, me fair
Yeah, how much you rate him?
Well, look nice. That's if the game like though, because Sliman's wife is give me. Cut our feelings wives come first. So I get 8.
8? You did say rating, right?
Yes,
7. Alright. What do you think about what you just said? You don't feel like a miss out?
My answer still stands.
Okay. And
I already read. Did I read it?
no.
Oh, okay.
Why did we pop here? Because you popped in before you asked the question.
I don't think he's like flexible.
What you say?
I think you can maneuver yourself in the bedroom.
Doesn't he kind of impact soft and he's like, there's nothing wrong with this now.
Just let me talk soft, Capo.
Yeah. Like she said, you can soft in the bedroom. That's what she's implying. What do you have to say about that?
Me that talk soft because it kind of like, I have a very overpowering voice as I can hear.
Yeah.
So me kind of try to talk soft because me no want.
Yeah.
You see me?
I think it says all that it needs to say. So it's basically saying he'll dominate you in the bedroom. How much would you rate him out of 10?
I like a watch.
Nice.
6.
What you rate her out of 10?
Well, she's dark skinned and my girlfriend's light skinned. So I like the diversity, so I'd give her a 9.
Nice. Some yin yang shit.
Yeah, some yin yang shit.
Okay, not bad. Balloon popped. Men, take a step. Alright, so we have 2 balloons here. And do you guys have any question? And based on your question, if you don't like what you hear, you can pop.
Alright, so the question I have is, you say you don't like, the only thing about man is you don't like mean man, right? Is that the only thing you don't like about man? Because everybody have a type.
Well,
so
like,
you don't like mean man, that simply means you with any type of man. That's the only thing you'd find off.
well, it has to do a lot with personality. You know, lying and other stuff are basic common sense. So, what mean man, there's a lot of mean men in Jamaica. So,
Or what you call mean man, by the way?
I'm not a give girl money, like, why would I have to ask you for money? For the see me and like, you know, say she want this or, yeah.
No, I have debunked this myth. It's not that the men are mean, you just don't look good enough to get his money. Because if she looks good enough, trust me, he will find any and every possible way to at least give her at least $10, at least something. The man are gonna figure out a way to give her something. So if he's not figuring out a way to give you something, either you just don't look good enough or he don't care about you enough. So it's not a matter of him being mean. You just don't matter that much to him for him to put an effort into giving you any money.
Wow. Okay.
Do you have any kids?
Mm-hmm.
How many? 1 boy or girl?
Girl.
How old?
3.
Alright.
What when you have a problem with... Okay. That's fine. Easy. Decision easy.
And why did we pop? You don't want to be a stepfather?
That's one thing too. But I leave her for a friend, man.
Wait, hold on.
What do you mean by that?
The 2 of them are talking about, nah, I was leaving her for you, bro. Nah, I was leaving her for you, bro. Nah, I was leaving her what going on, sir?
I'm not looking for nobody to step up because my child has a father that is playing his part. And no man can say they mind my opinion because at the end of the day, my work. So.
Honestly, I love kids. I love kids. So that's not really a big problem for me. You know what I mean? But I live for my virgin, so man.
Okay, I left the bridging business I go on, sir.
Alright, so my thing is, how much again, 24? Alright, first me too young. Younger girls, I know them more. You get me saying, if you don't know where you want, yeah, they do more than 1 man. You get me saying, I like girl older. And to be honest, 20 look like a match. So if they got pop balloon, I make 20.
You see what I mean? One man I say, yo, yeah, my friend type. Oh, I was leaving you for my friend. Next man I said, no man, but you guys look like a match. You guys look like a couple. What? Compatibility.
No, facts. 20 look like one match. You know, say, the more you do with that girl, the more you get to look like her, right? You ever hear that before? Yeah. All them guys did actually can talk, you get me saying? So, I feel 20 make a good match. You get me?
Them
So
look
what do you
good.
think about these 2 responses that you've been hearing?
Together.
I already said my part about the child. Like, my daughter already have a father. But what I just no, don't make no sense. Like, you left you for me and what? Come on.
Yeah,
Y'all need to think about yourself.
Y'all need to think about yourself.
I deserve the world.
What? What's up?
You don't deserve love.
I I deserve the world.
You don't deserve love.
All right, guys, how much should I rate him out of 10?
You see, you hear the delusion? She just say, I deserve the world. You see what I said? Like, everybody just walk around thinking they deserve the world.
I like tattoos. Tattoos are my weakness. I was about to say that, but you get to eat because I tattooed them.
That's the reason why you should have choose him.
You see? Just let them talk long enough. Because you see, tattoos are her weakness. So she would have done with him, simple man, with just a take picture, just being a young, aspiring, videographer, photographer. And then him got take picture of him now with tattoo. My girl, I pray the man with the tattoo. You know, see it? You see it? No, say it all work itself out. It work itself out like an exercise. Because she not getting no exercise.
Like,
No, I'm
like the Mr. Deport.
It's not confidence, baby. You literally just say tattoo, I'm a weakness. Do you know what a weakness is? Do you not understand the words coming out of your mouth? Do you know what a weakness is? Do you know what a weakness is? How can you describe something as your weakness and then say, well, me don't want to deal with that. But if you are going to describe something as your weakness, you're susceptible to it. So why am I going to get myself involved? No, sir. I don't want to say she no sense, but I'm getting there.
I'm very confident in myself.
How much did I give him out of 10?
Yes, Slim. I look like I can lift me up. Yeah, I get to eat too.
So how much did I give her?
I give her an 8.5, to be honest. She's a really good looking girl. Honestly.
How much did I give her that?
Oh, I'm like you're a 9. Nice dog, some good, huh?
Wait, just do
But on a pop on a balloon. At least you guys are good friends. Like,
I don't think they know each other.
wait, what? No one gonna walk off. Go ahead, come on. We get back.
Exactly, they don't know each other. Embarrassing.
Why you guys just embarrass me? Hello? You don't want me for a man and you can't get me now, you know? Next, somebody else.
You want the camera, man?
Next.
No, you're so weak. Guys, take a step, because I don't understand. So we didn't get that much for you today, and the cameraman is not up for sale. So next time we'll see what can happen for you. Thank you.
Okay.
Take a step.
Hey, you see what I mean, bro? You can never convince me to go and pop the balloon because you never know who going to be on the show. So you might think, say, oh yeah, I'm going to put my best foot forward, dress nice, all of this. And it just don't go how you think it going to go, bro. So just stay home and, react to it with me and watch the reactions with me, bro. Don't go embarrass yourself. You mad? No, sir. Don't do it. But yo, it is a W video, but because of so much lame nigga energy, bro, them just piss me off. I can't lie. Them piss me off. Them piss me right off, bro. A lot of the shit that we're doing, it was just diabolical, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's like, if you're just lame, you're just lame. And the older I get, the more I realize it, because like I'm realizing that there's some like well lame 40 and 50 and I'm like, bro, you're that old and you still don't figure out a way how to not be lame anymore, bro. Like you're still doing these childish behaviors, bro. Crazy to me, bro. Like, don't get me wrong now, when I'm in my room, I have all free reign to do whatever I want. I'm in my own domain. But when you're out in public, on a public platform, on a show that's gonna get, probably clipped and seen by lots of people, and just with women as well, with the one bag of back and forth and childish and feminine energy and the, having for proof on a female, and bro, what? Bro, I don't even argue with women, bro. I'm never gonna prove nothing to no woman, bro. Not in a disrespectful way, but it's never that deep. It's never that deep. Never that deep, bro. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Yeah, now that I got that off my chest, alright, W video. W video. So, let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. Let me know what else you want to see me react to in the comments below. Hold on there. Yeah. And then, Kogency on the Kogency Rocks channel, man. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. Timestamps, all of them things there. like the video so we can work through the shadow ban, and subscribe to me, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So, oh, you know so.